the other side of Sunset, just a little bit west of nowhere, you'll find a secret Yowasis where things are just the way they ought to be, with the Yowie watching over all.
Welcome to the Yowasis. It's one of those magic places. Some weird and wonderful faces, but deal with it, it's Yowasis. The Yowie home they protected. May not be what you expected. Friendship is what you make it.
Hey, come on, knock it off up there! Didn't I tell you before? No Calypso music on the roof! This is a serious training facility for the guardians of the natural world. Now, group, pay close attention, and I'll show you how it's done. Hey, where'd everybody go?
The Yowie home they protected. May not be what you expected. Friendship is what you make it. Yowie just cannot fake it.
Oh yeah!
Squish! Out of the way!
Ooh, gator goo.
Platypus fur. I don't have any stuck in my teeth, do I? Nope. Still gorgeous.
Surrender to the rhythm.
To be a bee or not to be a bee, that is the line.
That is the question.
No, don't tell me. That is the enquiry. No, that is the...
One of those kind of places. No shoes, socks for them laces. The Yowie home they protected.
That does it!
May not be
Stop
what
it!
you expected.
Stop it! Stop it! They don't wear shoes, socks, or laces? That is terrible. Now bug off and don't come back this time.
Thank you. Now I can hear myself perform.
Oh no. There was only one thing worse than Calypso Chipmunks, and that is punk rock raccoons! Hey! Knock it off up there!
Aw, come on, Rumble. We guard the natural world 24/7. Can we take a little break? Don't you know how to have fun?
Do I know how to... I'll show you how to have fun. If you can't train them, join them.